Good afternoon and welcome. It's Gillykube from the Sunshine Coast in Queensland, Australia, coming to you with what I'm going to create is a landscape pour, an abstract landscape pour. So that's what I'm going to come at you with today, people. I'm going to give you this a go. I've done these before, but I haven't done so many different colours as I'm doing, well, so many cups today. I've got 8 small cups and I'm going to see how I go with those. I've got colours to fill in if I need them. So I'm just going to try and create a landscape on this, I think it's a 60 by 40 canvas. Can't find the thing that I pulled it off. I'll find out. So focus on the good, live in the moment. So that's my little mantra for this week, well, for my life actually, and hopefully yeah, it might resonate with you too. So that's just my little thing that that's all right. I'm going to have an accident on camera, not good. Got stuff there I'm tripping over. So I'm going to use the pre-made pouring paints to do this abstract landscape, and so I'll just, without further ado, I'm going to get right into it. So I've got to kind of think where I'm going to lay everything, so I will hopefully, yeah, just get busy. I'm going to start with some greenery, believe it or not. Yes, so this is a dark green. Ooh. Can't open the lid, give it a good tap on your hard surface. So I will, maybe that one and the second one. No more. Then I'll add some of this rose gold. So as you see, there's nothing added to these paints, they're just the pouring paint straight out of the cup. So I'm really hoping this don't go to mud. I should be more confident, shouldn't I? Be more positive. I should just live in the moment, like that mantra said. Live in the moment. This is just your plain old white. Leave the lid off that. Then I'll bring in another green. So this is to represent some kind of earthing. This is a mid green. Come on, you beauty. This lid is not going to come off. I'm not sure why. I should have poured that off before I started. Never mind. Leave it at that. Put in some gold in here. Just bear with me. I've got a crazy thing happening in my head, but whether it comes out on the actual canvas will be another completely different thing. Put some of that in here. Some in here. There. This is a silver, so I'll just use, oh, there we go. I'm going to do a bit of black in here for the contrast. It's my bronze, I want to add some bronze. Strange to see whether what I've got in my head will turn out. Just going with it. Where? Some white. A little bit of that dark green. And a little bit more of the black. Black in the next one. Silver. So I'm trying to achieve a abstract abstract landscape. So got a little bit of orange here. Where? All bronze. Okay, now I want to go with the blues. Add a bit to that. Go with the light blue. More of the light blue here. Add to bronze. Got any left? No. Okay. Gotta try and get some, I just want to get some reds in up here so it's kind of like a sunsetty appearance, I suppose I'm trying to achieve, but in a night sky. Who knows what you get. That's what the fun is all about. This acrylic pouring. Go the bronze. These are going to be flip cups, so I'm just hoping it goes to plan. Still a very little in that one. Always go back to my blue. Some white in here. Oh, this takes a lot of thought when you're going along trying to, you've got something in your head and then trying to bring that out on canvas is like, it's stressful. Stressful. Well, it shouldn't be stressful, should it? You've just got to relax about it. That's it, just relax. Chillax, as my kids say. Chillax, Mom. No worries. Yes, the Aussies have definitely got a relaxed attitude. Right. A little bit of black in here. Have I got any? No. Okay, we'll leave that. I'm going to go with this. I'm going to see what I've got because I can always stretch it out by doing a bit of a swipe through it. So let's go, you good thing. Let's go, you good thing. Okay. Turn them all over. Oops, a days. Wow, let's do this, hey? Now I'm thinking the cups are not big enough, but we'll just work with it because I can swipe colour and tilt colour. It's chubby up that end, but never fear. tell you what, the colours are beaut. Real beaut. Okay. Quiet, aren't I? There you go. That's unusual for me. I'm not going to worry too much about tilting bits and bobs because I can fill those in. I just want to get the look across the canvas first. Just take it nice and steady, just no rush. Nobody's rushing you. Oh, wow, 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 wow. And just walk it back down. I'm not going to try to just tilt all my paint to get it over those corners because there's other ways I can achieve that. Yeah, use your cup as your manipulator. I'm not worried about going over my edges because I can either just paint those black or a contrasting colour. See your beaut. Just using up all the colour that I've got left in the cups. Gorgeous, gorgeous. Beautiful. I love it. Love it, love it. Gorgeous. Gorgeous. Wowzers, trousers. Just love it. Okay, I'm needing to come over there with these, with a swipey tool, I believe. I will use, I need a little smaller, more easier one. So I've just got a piece of the soft plastic file divider. I'm just going to go over areas that I need to stretch the paint out, but without kind of losing that look that I have got going there. Let's get my cups out of the way. Just do some gentle swiping and just let your imagination take you there. Beautiful. Just want to bring some more of that black through. Just wiping your swipe tool off in between these, just so that you don't get muddy in the paints. As I said, I'm not worried about right over the edge, because I think I would like to just paint that afterwards, the very lip of this. I can either do it in a sand colour, or if it's going in a floating frame you needn't paint it. But love that. Now I'm going to get through there a bit. Don't like that one. What have I done? Come back. Bear with me, people, sorry. Probably I need to speed this up, I suppose, when I edit it, so I'm taking out the boring bits for you. Wow. Try and get these out of the way so I don't tip them when I'm trying to show you what I hopefully am seeing and it's not. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. Where's this trousers? Very, very happy with that. Very happy. That's gorgeous. I love it. What do you think? Do you guys think? I love that. I love it. Sorry if that was a bit long-winded. I will... Oh, come on, paint over there. It looks nice when the paint does come over the edge, I must say. But I love that. I love it. I will leave it to dry and I will put the photographs on at the end of this video. Please let me know what you think. Thanks so much for joining me. Until tomorrow, there will be another video tomorrow, of course. Yeah, don't forget to join me. So take care and bye for now.